Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make pork ear. First, let's get those ears ready. You'll want to thoroughly clean about 2 to 3 pounds of pork ears, scrubbing them well under cold running water. After cleaning, take a moment to trim any extra fat or stray hairs. Then, place the prepared ears into a large pot and ensure they are completely submerged under at least 2 inches of water. This initial step is crucial for a delicious outcome. Now let's get cooking. To the pot with the pork ears, add about 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 bay leaf, and 5 whole black peppercorns. Bring the water to a rolling boil, then immediately reduce the heat to a gentle simmer. Let them cook for a good 2 to 3 hours, or until they are incredibly tender. Remember to skim off any foam that appears early on for a cleaner broth. Once the ears are perfectly tender, carefully remove them from the pot and let them cool down completely on a wire rack. This cooling step is important for easy slicing. Next, grab a sharp knife and slice the ears into thin, uniform strips, aiming for about 1/8 of an inch thick. Finally, toss these delicious strips with 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of rice vinegar, and a small pinch of sugar for a balanced flavor. To finish, let's add some vibrant flavors and textures. Garnish your seasoned pork ear with about 1 tablespoon of freshly chopped cilantro and a sprinkle of toasted sesame seeds. If you enjoy a bit of heat, feel free to add 1/2 teaspoon of chili flakes or a drizzle of chili oil. This dish is fantastic served chilled or at room temperature, making it a versatile appetizer or a delightful side dish for any meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.